Hello, this video will detail the Deferred Revenue Waterfall Detail Report in NetSuite. We will cover Deferred Revenue Waterfall Detail Reports, categories, and report columns. To begin, log into NetSuite. Select Reports, Revenue, Deferred Revenue Waterfall, then Detail. The As Of filter is the default value, and the default is the current period. The number of months displayed after this period is determined by the accounting preference number of short-term revenue periods. For example, if the period is December 2015 and 12 is the number of short-term revenue periods, the 12 months that are displayed are January 2016 through December 2016. If using NetSuite OneWorld, to have access to multiple subsidiaries, select a value in the subsidiary context. Select a value in the accounting book filter to use multi-book accounting with access to multiple accounting books. Click Refresh at the bottom of the page to apply your filters. The Deferred Revenue Waterfall Detail Report reconciles the deferred revenue account balance on the balance sheet and provides a forecast of the expected revenue stream. Run this report after you create revenue recognition and deferred revenue reclassification journal entries for the current period. The Deferred Revenue Waterfall Detail Report divides deferred revenue into the following categories and what they cover: prior unrecognized, billed and planned for recognition by the end of the current period but not yet recognized. If you have not completed the month-end revenue recognition journal entries for the current period, those amounts are included. When all amounts have been recognized, this column is not displayed. Short-term deferred revenue, billed and planned for recognition in the short term. This category is further divided into columns for each of the months. The number of months is determined by the accounting preference number of short-term revenue periods. The default is 12. Long-term deferred revenue, billed and planned for recognition after the number of months set for short-term deferred revenue. This is the thereafter column of the report. And last, unplanned deferred revenue, billed, unrecognized, and not yet in actual revenue plans. Report results are grouped by customer. Unless the accounting preference unbilled receivable adjustment journal grouping is set to element, unbilled receivable adjustments are included in a separate row. This row has no revenue account. There is one row for each group or arrangement. The report includes the following additional columns: customer, unbilled receivable group, currency, when the multiple currencies feature is enabled, source document number, source type, item, deferred revenue account, and deferred revenue balance. You can click the values in the customer and transaction number columns to open the associated records. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions, you may email NetSuite at a2q2.com. Thank you.